how to use multiple WhatsApp accounts in Android. So if you want to use multiple WhatsApp accounts in your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. Now under settings here on the right side, you will have a plus option. You need to tap on the plus, and then you'll be able to add account. Right, you'll be able to add 1 or 2 accounts, and then you can switch between your accounts. In this way, you'll be able to add, or you can just simply go back and then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application, and you may have an option of dual app. If you find dual app, you need to go and open a dual app for your WhatsApp and then try to log in with another account, and you will have 2 accounts. But if you want more than 2 accounts, then what you can do is you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for WhatsApp Business. And after installing WhatsApp Business, you need to go and log into your account on your WhatsApp Business with a different account. So in this way, you'll be able to use multiple WhatsApp accounts in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.